then you can, without turning yourself around, take the black line in the back position on the right hand side. Yeah, don't turn more.
Yeah.
Now, that one, and try up and down. That's the rudder. Try it. Just try. You cannot do anything wrong, so try it. One way or the other.
This one?
Yep. Try the other way.
Oh, like that?
Yeah, that's down. That's up. You had it down.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Is it down?
No, it's not moving.
No, pull, pull, pull.
Okay.
Yeah, it's down now.
It's on the way now, but you have to. Yep. Oh. That's it.
Oh wait, mine's stuck.
Let it be down and then we try to steer. So that's the next. Go forward, try right, left, feel how it is.
I go forward. No, wait, move. Stop it.
You need some speed before you can feel it.
Okay, go. So right, and then I'm gonna go left. Left. I am. Quicker. Okay, straightening up. Oh no, keep going. Are we going towards the trampoline? Okay, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Oh wait, I got the left. Yeah, keep going. Oh, they're still back there.
And you can try going up like me.
Slowing down.
Now we have the wind like this. Now we are making our ready. So with the bow up against the wind, you are just as wide as this. And the wind will not push you away. If you have the side into the wind, it will push you all the way down. Now we can nearly standing still in the wind.
Don't be alarmed.
We have the bow up into the wind.
Alright, wait, turn left. Wait, I'll do it, I'll do it.
You can adjust the ring there on your paddle. This ring, 5 centimeters from the end. That's good.
Don't know why, but alright.
The other one as well. It's in the middle here.
Oh.
You're getting wet if you have it there. Put it 5 centimeters away. Yeah, you have to work with it. Maybe put some water on. Dip it in water. Helps a lot. Is it okay to steer?
Yeah.
Yeah. And okay with the balance?
Yep. That's better. A bit more.
If you're in the back, keep your paddle down on the left side and let it be there. Front person, forward on right. Forward on right.
Hey.
Yeah.
No, put yours.
Forward on
Hey,
right.
yeah.
And then
You put the other side down.
go back
Yeah, and just keep it there.
You have backward.
So that was the bill. And then look. Yeah, keep it there. So that'll keep us like keeping that way. So wait, put yours up. So wait, let me turn us. Oh wait, I'm turning us the wrong way. No wait, I was turning the right way. Wait. Yeah, but the Scotland one was easier. Huh?
That was embarrassing.
No, let's not get ahead of ourselves. No, but see what he said, because go right. Do you want to go to the trampoline? Jump around.
Sometimes you can actually just adjust with doing like this.
Hey, go left. Yeah.
Crashing, you can just put your paddle down and stop it. Like this.
You put the other one down. Yeah.
Like
Oops.
me now, if I'm crashing to that now, I can go like this or I can go backwards.
Okay. Hey, left.
Not to remember that for yeah. Okay.
No wait. Yeah,
We
wait.
try to go slowly back on the buttons around the first pier and just back on the buttons. It will be easier to steer on the way. But, try the rudder when we go forward. See how it
Oh, my bad. I forgot to stay.
Remember when I told you about putting the paddle over your head and the position so you're not holding like this? Because it will be super tight.
Oh, that's you, Hanalboy.
90
No.
degrees.
Hey, look.
Not like this.
No, look.
90,
Put it
yeah,
over.
there.
There we go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Better like that. Oh. Yeah.
Oh, damn it. Yeah, there we go.
Then I used to, instead of look at me, you can go like this, or you can lift it and go like this. And you can actually go.
I'm helping us stay, yeah, I am. Okay, now straight. Alright, go fast. Row your boat gently down the street. Oh wait, wrong way, my bad. Straightening up. Seriously? Oh, wrong way. Oh no, wait, my bad, it was the right way. Huh? Fair enough. I think it was good that we took off the...
Go up behind the buttons and wait for the others there. 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't take too much in the beginning, that's typical when you have an accident. So I can guarantee people going quick will also be the typical swimmers upside down.
Oh,
So take it easy and you have full control of what you're doing.
damn it.
If you're taking too much power on the paddle, I can show you, it's so easy to flip the grip a little bit and you do like this and then you are around because you have nothing to it. All the power is just going away and you are upside down. That's difficult.
Okay. Thank you. We are kayaking in Stavanger. No wait, it's not Stavanger anymore actually. Huh? Speak louder. Yeah, I'm going. Okay, you put your left one in. Yeah, I'll put my right one in. So now we just wait. Huh? Come by. Look. Yeah, we should have worn sunscreen. Hey, don't you have a pocket where you can put it? Oh, jine mera dil lutya, oh, jine menu maar sutya, oh, jine mera dil lutya, oh, jine menu maar sutya, ay.